Yo, 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 what's going on, boys and girls of all ages? Yours truly, Eddie Cheesy, back on duty on our way to Orange County Car Show alongside with my wifey. So when we get there, we're going to show you all the latest 2020 models. So stick around, join me on this amazing trip, and don't touch that dial. Folks, so we finally made it at the Orange County Convention Center on our way to the Orange County Car Show. So stick around. Orange County Car Show, here we are. Look at this Mustang. So, we have Chevy, Ford. Man, there's cars all over. There's a lot of cars that we could talk about. So, stick around, follow me, and don't touch that dial. What's going on, boys and girls of all ages? Welcome back to the Orange County Car Show. Yours truly, Eddie Cheesy. We finally made it to the Acura booth, and right now I'm so happy finally I get to check it out live. The Type S concept. Without any further ado, check it out. So the Acura Type S concept was conceived by the Acura Design Studio in California, and this was marked the return of the Type S performance variant to the Acura line after a decade of hiatus. With the Type S concept, the Acura design team has set out to express power and performance through the stance and proportion. Just check out the stance and the proportion, the crafting, the silhouette that is powerful and expressive, yet it is clean and cohesive. The fundamental step in fulfilling the promise of precision, crafted performance. Acura will debut the two Type S performance variants in the next 2 years, folks, starting with the second generation TLX Type S. So folks, here it is, the moment we've all been waiting for. The Type S concept is finally here. Folks, I don't have the 0 to 60 timeline yet because it's a concept car, so we won't know any of that. But from what I was told is that the TLX is headed towards this design, the Type S concept. Folks, welcome back to the Orange County Car Show. Yours truly, Eddie Cheesy. Welcome back to my channel. So let's go check out the Acura booth. Here, as you can see, there's the TLX. We have a whole bunch of Acuras that are in the house, and right behind you, check this out. There's a white TLX, all-wheel drive. I wish Honda has an all-wheel drive. Look how beautiful this pearl white finish. A little bit shinier than the Honda ones, but that's all good. What's up, folks? We're about to check out the NSX. Oh, wow. Right now I'm sitting inside the 2020 NSX. I love the seat. I love the feel. Everything is legit. I love the infotainment system. It is pretty roomy. I mean, it's not bad. It's kind of tight, but it is an Acura NSX. What can I say, right? Beautiful. I love it. I love the Acura NSX. What can I say? One of the best car out there. I don't care about the Ferraris, the Lamborghinis. This one looks really damn good. Boys and girls, welcome back to the Orange County Car Show. Right in front of me, we have the 2019 NSX GT3 Evo. So based on the NSX road car and utilizing its production twin turbocharged V6 power plant and multi-material space frame, the NSX GT3 and GT3 Evo race cars have taken multiple checkered flags in the IMSA WeatherTech Sports Car Championship, okay? So the track success of the new GT3 Evo is just the latest chapter in a storied racing legacy and a testament to the importance the Acura brand places on producing and perfecting the high-performance automobile. This is the 2019 NSX GT3 Evo live at the Orange County Car Show. Hello folks, welcome back to the Orange County Car Show. Yours truly, Eddie GZ. Welcome back to my channel. So let's go check out the Acura booth. Here, as you can see, there's the TLX. We have a whole bunch of Acuras that are in the house, and right behind you, check this out. This is a white TLX, all-wheel drive. I wish Honda has an all-wheel drive. Look how beautiful this pearl white finish. A little bit shinier than the Honda ones, but that's all. We're at the Toyota booth. You can see they got a whole bunch of Camrys out here. There's the BRZ, the green one. The dark green. Not the BRZ.
So previous, like the Mach 4, we're going with an inline 6-cylinder engine. But this is going to be a scroll twin turbo. So what are the numbers? Because I know that's what you all want to know. We got 335 horsepower, 365 pounds of torque, and 0 to 60 in 4.1 seconds, making this the quickest production Toyota we have ever made. But wait, there is more. So we clocked it at 4.1. Mclaren and Driver Magazine, they just clocked it at 3.7 seconds from 0 to 60. So really high performance here. As you take a look at the interior, you're gonna notice it's made to feel like you're in your own cockpit. The seats wrap around you. It's very sporty. Here's one of my favorite things about the Supra though that makes it stand out. The new Supra has a 50-50 weight distribution, which is pretty unique for a sports car. Not all of them have it, so this is really going to be great when you're whipping around those turns. As you look at the body of the Supra, you're going to notice that a lot of inspiration from previous generations of Supra and Toyota sports cars. In fact, up here we have this double bubble roof. Not only will that help with aerodynamics, but it's actually reminiscent of our 2000 GT from back in the day. The 2000 GT, that was actually in a James Bond movie. So we got a history of Toyota sports cars being in the movies. Also, if you look at the rear end of the Supra, underneath, it is reminiscent of the big tail that used to be on the Mach 4. So a lot of inspiration from previous generations. Many of you saw the FT1 concept travel around the auto show circuits, and we're gonna see a lot of that design in this new Supra as well. So I got one more prize to give away. If anyone can tell me the 0 to 60 on the Supra. 4.1 seconds. You are correct, sir. Making this the quickest Toyota production Supra we have ever made, and Car and Driver Magazine clocked it at 3.7. So we're very excited. The legend has returned. So have a great day here at the Anaheim show. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me or any product specialist here on the floor. Let's go places, and let's go there in the all-new legendary 2020 Supra.
There it is, the 2020 Toyota Supra in a bright yellow. Loving it. So that's what we have here at the Orange County Car Show. What's going on, folks? Welcome back, and we found the Honda booth right here at the Orange County Car Show, and I came here to check out the Honda Accord. So right here we got a Honda Accord hybrid. Let me show you. We got a nice, beautiful one. It's a 2019 Honda Accord hybrid. This one has has that nice sophistication that meets with efficiency, whatever that is. But check it out. So we have the EX, we have the EXL here, the Touring. But right now what we're looking at is the hybrid. So let's check it out. What are the difference between this, the 2018, and the 2019? Everything is pretty much the same, in my opinion. Still got that nice little piano look on the front grille, and they still have this front chrome emblem. I would probably go ahead and have it vinyl wrap in gloss black because I don't like the chrome look on it. Still got that nice detailed lighting. As you can see, they kind of changed the wheels. They put a little bit of detail with the chrome delete and a little bit of chrome on the side of the rims. Everything looks pretty much the same. I like these leather seats. Very roomy. This is like 2018. I like these. These are like high quality breathable leather, you know, as you can see. It's like a nice little perforated cell puncher where it allows the leather to breathe a little bit better, right? And the back still looks just like how it is, very roomy. They didn't do anything. They didn't really do anything in the back. It's still the same thing, same lighting. I thought they were gonna take this off, but I guess they did the right thing by just leaving it alone. And looking forward to the 2022 or 2021 refresh. But that's the Honda Accord, folks. Live at the Orange County Car Show. Yours truly, Eddie Jeezy. Yeah. We're live and direct at the Orange County Car Show. And right in front of me, we have the 2019 Civic Type R, which we all know is a legend on the track. The ultimate in civic performance and direct manifestations of Honda's racing spirit. Experience the heritage. The Type R stands as a banner for Honda's commitment to creating a product that's enliven the senses and steer the soul. This one is a engine Type R 2.0 turbocharged and epic with dual overhead cam 4-cylinder engine with a direct injection that produces 306 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and a 295 pound of torque. Beautiful. I love Type R's. gray. I love this color. So this Civic Sport. Lamborghini Aventador in purple. Beautiful. The Aventador, Baba. Love it. Let's check out the McLaren. All right. Oh man, I love this car. I don't really know why I love this car. It's a supercar, of course. Love it.